Drop Gwen off at school. I got a day off today, so I decided to take a little quick drive, do a little quick vlog, maybe get some photos. I haven't been keeping up on my photographs. I've been so busy with this new job and doing their camera work. I haven't been able to do my own camera work. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a little cruise. Wednesdays are short days at school for Gwen, so I just taking a little cruise up to Auberry, and then probably just cruise right back, just snap a couple photos. It's pretty cloudy, overcast up here right now. I'm just getting up here 168 up by Eagle Crest, and I think actually I'm going to cut over Millerton Road and probably go hit up Millerton real quick. Maybe go on the back side of the casino, see what happens. See what I end up. So, gotta remember, this time of year, especially right now, it's still a little chilly out, but it's springtime. These snakes are gonna be looking for the warmest place they can. And that's gonna be this dry dirt, rocks. So just be aware. Something I like to do when I'm hiking in these particular spots is I like to make a lot of noise to let them know, let any critters know that I'm here, and I'm not gonna bother you if you don't bother me, type of thing. So just because these snakes, they'll let you know if you're in their territory, that's for sure. And these snakes go off, they can sense any vibration in this dirt. So if you let them know you're coming up the hill, they'll probably get out of the way by the time you get up that hill. So just be aware. If you can, I'm not doing it right now, so wear some good thick leather boots that have a good ankle on them, because they'll go for your ankle. And yeah, luckily up here in Millerton, you're not too far away from a hospital. But hey, beautiful day. Time to get back to town. Like I said, just wanted to come shoot. Foxtails everywhere. Foxtails.